Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Here you see that let us take let us take let the radius let the radius of bigger circle is capital R, and let the radius of let the radius of smaller circle is small r. Here you see the radius of this circle is smaller. The circle of bigger circle is capital R. You have to find this area, right? That means you have to take the area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Then you'll get the area of this circle, this portion, right? Therefore, you have to find the area of the remaining sheet. Therefore, area of the remaining sheet. Therefore, area of the remaining sheet of the remaining sheet of area of the remaining sheet will be of the remaining area of the remaining sheet is equal to area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle, and the area of the bigger circle is pi r square, and area of the smaller circle is pi smaller square, right? If we take pi as common, right, that is capital R square minus smaller square, capital R square minus smaller square, and here it is given that capital R is equal to 4 centimeter and the length of smaller radius r is 3 centimeter. We take the value of pi as 3.14. Therefore, the value of pi is equal to 3.14 into r square. Capital R is 4. That is 4 square minus 3 square. Then you are getting 3.14 into 4 4 is 16 minus 3 is a 9. Then you are getting 3.14 into 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. To multiply 3.14 with 7, 4 7 is 28, 2 it is 8, 7 plus 2 is 9, 3 7 is 21, and point is here 21.98 is equal to 21.98, 21.98, and the unit will be centimeter square, right? Therefore, you can say that area of the remaining sheet is, therefore, area area of the remaining sheet, area of the remaining sheet, area of the remaining sheet is equal to 21.98, 21.98 centimeter square. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.